Welcome, young artists! Today, we're going on an exciting adventure as we draw and color an amazing excavator. Are you ready to learn all about this incredible machine? Let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your trusty pencil and let's start sketching. An excavator is a large construction vehicle that looks like a giant robot with a long, powerful arm. It has a big bucket at the end, perfect for digging and moving things around.
Wow!
Now, use your black marker to outline your drawing. This will make your excavator stand out and look super cool. The black lines will define all the details, making it look just like the real thing. With your outline complete, it's time to add some color. Grab your brush pen and let's make this excavator come to life. Red color. You can choose any colors you like. Maybe a red and green for the body and a deep blue or purple for the tires. Green color. There's more to explore. Excavators are amazing machines used in construction. Yellow color. They can dig deep holes, move heavy materials, and even demolish buildings. Blue color. Excavators are like the superheroes of construction sites. They help build our cities, highways, and bridges. Purple color. They are essential for big projects, like digging foundations for buildings or creating trenches for pipelines. And that's not all. Excavators can also be used in farming, mining, and even for cleaning up after natural disasters. Orange color. They are versatile and powerful, just like your awesome drawing.
Wow!
Red color. Blue color. Wow, look at that! Your excavator is looking fantastic! So, there you have it, young artists! You've not only created a fantastic drawing of an excavator, but also learned how important these machines are in the world of construction. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep exploring the amazing world around you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.